Hi, it's Kylie. You know, you might be feeling really small today, or you might be feeling really big. Either way, when we're together and we express ourselves through art, it's powerful. So what do you say? Will you join me? You will? Awesome. You know, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna make it. Come on. Hi friends, it's me, Kylie. I'm so excited to hang out with you today. What do you think we should do? Do you smell that? Something smells bad. Ooh. Oh, it's Hashbrown. Hash, you need a bath. You want to give Hashbrown a bath with me? Let's go. Bath time, you stinky puppy. Get some soap. I'm out of soap. Do you think we could make soap together today? Do you know how to make soap? I wonder if I know anyone who could teach us. The first thing I had to do was suit up. Once I was ready to go, it was time to make soap.
Hi guys, I'm Jenna and I'm a soap maker here at Buff City Soap. Oh, we're gonna make some soap together. Do you want to? Let's do it. What do we do first? First, we're gonna lay all of our materials out. We wanna make sure that we are prepared.
Yes.
So, the first one that we're making is aloe and clover.
Aloe and clover.
So,
sounds good.
That is a 1 loaf pour, meaning that it's just gonna take up one of these.
This is called a loaf?
This is a loaf.
Okay.
So in our loaf, we have our individual soaps that come from this.
Cool.
So,
like bread.
Yes, exactly like bread. So the thing that gives our soap its color is called mica.
Okay.
And so for aloe and clover, we use white mica and teal mica.
I love this color.
It is beautiful. Teal. And this is our black spa salt, which is an additive into our soap.
Okay.
So this makes sure your skin is nice and smooth, kind of exfoliates.
Can I feel it?
Absolutely.
Cool. It's kind of rough, but not too rough. It would feel great in some soap.
We have our scent, which makes it smell good. So kind of the most important part.
Yeah.
Then after we pour all of our soaps, we add this topper. It's a Kelly Green mica sparkle topper.
Ooh.
So it's really glittery and it really gives it a nice little pattern on the top.
I love it.
So this is what our finished product will look like.
Wow.
You can kind of see the black spa salt in there and then our Kelly Green topper.
Once the soap is all done, this is what it's going to look like.
Amazing. So our 2 behind the scenes stars to our soap is our oil and our lye. So our oil is coconut oil, olive oil, and palm oil.
Ooh.
So since we're making 1 batch, which is 3 loaves, we'll need 3 buckets of oil and 3 buckets of lye.
Okay. 1, 2, and 3. 3 buckets of oil. 1, 2,
3 buckets of lye. Micah is first.
So our colors. 1 color. Wow, like a little color explosion. Now we get out our immersion blender.
Fun!
Very fancy. Wow. So now we have our black spot salt that we can't forget to add. It's our little extra additive in there. And then we'll just do the same thing, mix it up.
Okay. Oh, wow, it's swirling all around.
All right, so when I do add lye, I'm gonna announce to everybody that I am adding lye just to make sure that we're all safe and all aware of what's going on.
Okay.
So I'll take it and I'll say adding lye. Then we'll take our cup of water, pour a little bit in there, swirl it around, and see how it's a little bit cloudy?
Yeah.
That means that we got a little bit extra lye in there, so that's good.
What does the lye do in the soap?
So the lye is actually what makes it hard. It makes it solidify. Yeah.
Okay.
So we want to make sure that we mix it for at least 30 seconds, if not more. As soon as we add our scent in, we'll mix it up and then go straight to pouring.
I'm excited for that part.
So we just get our little measuring cup. So right before I add our scent, I'll do the same thing that I did with my lye and announce to everybody. That way everybody knows, hey, this is the last step and I have to turn and pour. So
they get out of the way.
keep clear the area.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna go over here so I don't get in your way.
Perfect.
Okay.
And we're just gonna go to this first loaf right here.
Perfect.
All right, adding scent. All right, here we go.
Wow. It goes in as a liquid. How long does it take to harden up?
It depends on the soap, and that's kind of where our fragrances come in. So some of our fragrances make it set really, really fast, but some of them will have to wait until the very end of the day because they take so long to set.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So that's the pour. And then we're gonna take our topper and just go back and forth and make sure we have that really nice sparkly green on
That
it.
is beautiful.
And then my favorite part, we'll take our skewer and kind of make a little design on it.
Oh my word. You are so good at this.
And see how it's already starting to look a little bit thick?
Yes.
This is a fast setter.
Wow, that's beautiful. You did
that's
such a good job.
Jenna even let me try doing the topper.
Thank you so much for having us to Buff City Soap and showing us how you make soap. It was so fun learning from you.
You're welcome. You guys are welcome back anytime. We'd love to come make soap with you.
Thank you.
That was so fun, learning how to make soap and seeing how soap is made when we were at Buff City Soap in Carmel. I had a great time and I made a lot of new friends. I even bought a bar of soap that they made just for dogs. We can give Hashbrown a bath now. But first, before we do that, I wanted to show you how you could make some easy soap at home. This soap isn't quite as fancy, but it is really fun. We're going to use something called a soap base, and you can find this at most craft stores. It comes like this. This is a clear glycerin soap, but you can get all kinds of different kinds. You can see through them, or some of them are kind of white and cloudy. And basically, what makes this easier to work with is that the soap making process is already done. So the lye and the oils and all of that stuff is already done. We're just basically melting this down, adding anything we want to it, and then letting it firm up again. The soap I'm gonna show you how to make is so fun and so easy. And there's toys inside, which, hello, anything with a toy in it is awesome. I bought these little sea creatures for our soap today, and I made one to show you. This is an octopus soap. I put this little octopus in my mold before I poured the soap in. And so now, as you use it, you get closer and closer and closer to being able to play with this amazing sea creature. Let's make one together. The first thing we need to do is cut up our soap base. One of these makes about 1 bar of soap in this mold. I found that the silicone molds work the best for this kind of soap. Cut this up into smaller bits. Make sure to have an adult help you with this part if you're using a sharp knife. Awesome. Now, put your pieces in a glass container. I like to use a glass container like this. It's a measuring cup because it has a spout to pour the soap out. Now, you're gonna put this in the microwave. You're gonna start with 40 seconds, stir it, and then go 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds until it's all melted and liquid. There are no chunks left in my soap. It's all melted down. So it's time to pour it in my mold. If you want to add a toy or some glitter or something fun to your mold, now's the time to do it. I'm going to add this little starfish and maybe some jewels. Fun. Now that I have that in place, I'm just going to pour my soap in over the top. You see those bubbles? You can get rid of those really easily if you have a spray bottle of rubbing alcohol. It just pops the bubbles. That's it. You just let it harden for about 40 minutes and you have a bar of soap that you can just pop right out of your mold and use. Isn't that amazing? I have a little bit more here. So this time, let's add some dye and some scent. You don't need to do this part, but let's try it. I'm gonna do some yellow color. And I'm going to make this smell like lemon. Ooh, it smells good already. All right, mix that up. I'm gonna make this one with all jewels. Ready? You could even fill one up halfway with one color, let it harden a little bit, and then do another color and put that on top. I'm gonna do that because I have a little bit of yellow left. I waited about 40 minutes and the soaps are ready to come out of the mold. You'll see that I made a few more while I was waiting. Here's the starfish and the jewels that we made. That's so fun. Here is the yellow jewels that smell like lemon. I love how that looks in the light. It smells so good. This is one that I tried with 2 different colors. You see, I put yellow on the bottom, which ended up being the top, and like a cool aqua on the bottom. This one has a special sea creature. A stingray! Awesome. His little back is poking out. This one is a whale. And this one I put glitter in. I'm excited to see how it turned out. Oh, wow, look. I had so much fun making soap with you in the studio. And now that I have my dog soap from Buff City Soaps, I think it's time to give that Hashbrown a bath. I wonder how we're gonna find him.
Let's use our nose. Oh yeah, I smell him. Let's go.
I had so much fun making things with you today. We learned how to make soap together, and then we made our own soap in my studio.
Hashbrown, are you excited about your bath?
He doesn't really like baths. That's okay. You're not gonna be so stinky soon. Hey, thanks for hanging out with us today. I'll see you next time. Want to make more things together? Me too. Kylee. That's me. Search Kylee Makes It for lots of fun art videos. Also, parents and educators, go to KylieMakesIt.com. I have lots of things for you too. Like this video and subscribe.